Hello. If you're watching this, it's probably because you're loving somebody whose drinking is destroying you. You're exhausted, you're anxious, you've lost yourself completely, and you can't understand why you can't just leave, move on, or why nothing that you try, no matter what you do, it just doesn't make any difference. So let me tell you that this isn't something that will change. This isn't a character flaw on your part. It's neuroscience. And the problem is the problem. Your brain has become chemically dependent on chaos, not metaphorically, but actually dependent. Just carry on watching, and you know your brain is using the same neural pathways as cocaine addiction, because you've developed what many people, including myself, call love addiction, and it's kept you trapped in patterns that you know aren't working for you, while you blame yourself for not being strong enough to change them or to get out of the situation. And the problem isn't willpower. It's that you're trying to use 5% of your brain to override 95% that's been wired for addiction through repeated experience. And that's not a fair fight. Just carry on listening. I'm Grace Chadding, and I'm the author of a forthcoming book called The Women Who Loved Too Much, and it's updated. 40 years ago, Robin Norwood wrote the book Women Who Loved Too Much, and I was exactly where you are now, then. And I spent years trying to fix someone that I loved whilst destroying myself in the process. And what finally worked wasn't loving him better or trying harder. It was understanding what had happened to my brain and learning to heal at the nervous system level. And that's exactly what I'm going to teach you in my free masterclass. So in the masterclass, if you sign up for the masterclass, you'll discover why your brain became addicted to chaos, the neuroscience of intermittent reinforcement, and why unpredictable good moments keep you hooked in. And you'll also learn about the three nervous system states and why you're trapped in chronic activation or shutdown, unable to think clearly or make good decisions. You'll also learn what trauma bonding actually is and why the relationship just feels impossible to leave, even when sometimes you know you should. Um, you'll find out why all your helping behaviors have made things worse and what enabling actually does to addiction patterns. The one thing that must change, you'll discover, before anything else can change, and it's probably not what you think. And most importantly, what recovery actually requires, not just understanding, but the body-based practices that create real change. Now, the masterclass is completely free, but spaces are limited because I want to keep it intimate enough for real learning. So sign up on the link below, and once it fills, you'll have to wait for the next one. So click the link below and save your spot, and you'll get an immediate access to the registration page and a reminder email before we go live. This could be the moment that changes everything for you. And I'll see you in the masterclass. Bye for now.